Hello, pot stickers. We did it! Today, this channel hit a huge milestone on our journey to become a sustainable channel. With your help, we reached 1,000 subscribers. I'm so grateful that you find the information that I provide on this channel useful for you. Now that we've reached 1,000 subscribers, it's one more step along the way in order to be able to bring more content to you. I can create now communities on YouTube that allow us to interact better, and I think it'll bring us even more close together. I thank all of the people that have come from my local community, the Fargo-Moorhead vegan groups, and the wonderful people who have come from all over the world to join this channel. Thank you. I know many of you have just recently subscribed and have come over from the Seitan Appreciation Society. Thank you so much. I think that group is such a wonderful supportive group, and the sharing of ideas and how to create food from flour is just amazing. There are a lot of great ideas and tips being shared on that forum, and if you haven't been to the Facebook group, the Seitan Appreciation Society, go check it out. Without all of your support, I never would have been able to reach this so quickly. If and when I ever reach a point where YouTube actually pays a little bit of advertising revenue for this content, I hope to be able to donate that and use some of that to help support local food banks and food charities that help feed hungry people, and with that to spread the message of plant-based eating and local foods. I have a lot of things planned for new recipes for this channel, and I can't wait to share them. Thank you so much. I look forward to growing this community together with you, and stick around as the pot continues to thicken.